Troubleshooting for fast draining battery. Battery drains fast when deadbolt is too tight. Turn thumbturn or insert and turn key to check if deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly. Solution number 1. Apply WD-40 or fluid lubricant in between the deadbolt slot. Solution number 2. Apply WD-40 or fluid lubricant into the keyhole to loosen. Solution number 3. If lubricant does not work, loosen the deadbolt fixing screws. Solution number 4. Loosen and adjust fixing screws at the back of the interior panel. Solution number 5. Uninstall the interior panel to loosen screws on the mounting plate. And slightly adjust the position of the mounting plate until deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly.